Hello viewers. Welcome to the Hostripples YouTube channel. Let's look into several steps to get the best web hosting for your website. Firstly, open any browser you wish to use. In the search bar type www.hostripples.com, click on the search button. You will be directed to the homepage of our website. Click on the Login button on the top right of your screen. Scroll and click onto the Create an Account option. With this, you will be able to register your account with Hostripples. Carefully fill in all the required details the form asks for, as it cannot be edited later. Fill in your first name, last name. Mention your company name. Include your phone number and email address. Be double sure with your email address, as this ID will be further used for verification and communication process by Hostripples. Set a strong password according to the tips mentioned here. Fill in the same password, as it will be used as a confirmation for creating an account. You can also opt for self-generating password facility by Hostripples. Click on Generate Password. Then, click on Copy to Clipboard and Insert button. After that, fill in all the residential details. Type in the address, select the country from the drop-down list, enter city, state, zip code. Moving ahead, fill in the question asked and currency details. Read the terms of service carefully and check the checkbox of the company's terms and conditions if you agree. Next, identify the characters and type them as it is for confirmation. Register for the Hostripples web hosting service by clicking on Register.